In this guide, we'll walk you through how to completely erase all data from your iPhone before selling it. If you find this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing. When upgrading to a new device, it's important to ensure all your data is removed so the new owner can set it up as their own. To start, it's a good idea to back up your iPhone first, so you don't lose any important data. You can back up to iCloud by opening the Settings app, tapping your name at the top, and selecting iCloud. Scroll down to iCloud Backup, enable it if it's not already on, and tap Backup Now. Alternatively, you can back it up to your computer, which is what I personally recommend. Once your backup is complete, it's time to reset your iPhone. Start by going to Settings, then scroll down and select General. Scroll all the way to the bottom, where you'll see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on this option, then select Erase all content and settings. You'll be prompted to sign out of your Apple ID and remove all your personal information. Tap Continue, confirm your decision, and enter your passcode and Apple ID password. Once you press Turn Off, it will disable Find My iPhone and remove the activation lock. Your iPhone will reset and it will be ready for its new owner. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to leave a like.